Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today's theme is going to be Sunday morning model cars and coffee, hosted by Paul over at Left Coast Model Car Builds. You guys hadn't checked him out, you should go check him out. Here's one of his cards. This is his Sunday morning model cars and coffee car. What I'm going to do today, let me move this, give me a little drink right quick and move this. It's not coffee this morning. Move this back. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to go over my first van I ever built, which was this one right here. This thing was kind of a pain in the butt. It's the first one I'd ever done. Just everything about it was kind of difficult. I'd never used the pen. As you can tell, I didn't even do the turn signals in it in the front. It looks cool, but it was really a pain in the butt to put together. This was my fourth build. I didn't even put it on my channel the first time because I just didn't like it. But just kind of wanted to go show you what my pain in the butt is, because I know JT over I Need My Garage Time is doing one, and he's got the sliding door and all he's did with it and everything. And I told him I'd put one together and I'd get it out and show him. This thing's been boxed up. Hadn't really done much to it other than just I put it together, put the stickers on it. I didn't like it and it went in the box. But I told JT I'd get it out and I'd show, because this is the one and only time I've ever done a van. Probably be the last time I do a van. Just really didn't turn out like I wanted it. Unless I just get kind of spontaneous one day, I may take this thing back apart and redo it. Don't know. But this is it. This is what I worked on. I mean, I didn't even really do much under the bottom. Didn't really, like I said, I was just doing this. This thing's a year and a half old now. And just had started out doing it. So didn't really know what I was doing. I mean, I had put model cars together before, but the van was different. Hadn't really messed with it. So this is like I said, this is my third or fourth build, just getting back into the hobby. I hadn't built a car since '96 when I got back in this a year ago, and a year and a half ago now. But I'm glad I did. I'm enjoying it. Enjoying everybody out there. Another thing I've been doing has been collecting around the little Hot Wheels. I want to kind of show those off too. Is what I've been getting. Got me a nice little. I don't know if we can get a good look at it. There we go. I may have to pull those in some. See if I can get us to go a little closer. Oop, wrong way. There we go. And this one here is the what is this thing? It's a '69 Corvette. That's a cool one. I like that one. Another one I got was a Purple Passion. I have the purple one, but I don't have the white one. I think they're kind of cool. I got the purple one though. Like I said, I don't have the white one. I picked up this nice little '67 Chevrolet truck right here. Kind of can't really see it that well. There we go. I adjusted the light a little bit. I hope we can see a little bit better now. But yeah, that's a cool looking truck. Really cool looking little truck. I got the custom 53 Cadillac. It's got a little, it's like I don't know, like a derby racer or something in the back. It's kind of cool looking El Camino Cadillac here. Really cool looking car. I know a lot of people don't really collect these things, but I think they're kind of cool. And then we have this one right here. Ford Model A 31 Ford. I think this one's pretty cool. And get up here where you guys can see it. Yeah, I think that one's pretty cool. I got me this one here. I think this is my favorite one I found. Little Dodge Dart. I think this one here is cool. 68. But yeah, that's the art on it. But yeah, this thing is pretty darn cool. Another one, Mike over at Model Speed Shop. It's like the flames he's had. So I had this one here. I picked this one here up, which is the kit car, the Knight Rider car. But it has the flames on it. And it even has the little red light in there. I thought that was a pretty cool car. Hadn't seen it. It's 5 of 10. I don't know what else is out there, but I'm going to keep looking around and see. But there we are. Nothing else really on the bench. Been a long week at work, so I really ain't got nothing else done. No updates there. So just wanted to do a little quick Sunday morning model cars and coffee, and this is the victim this week. It's kind of cool, but just a pain in the butt. I just want to thank all my new subscribers, all my subscribers that watch my channel and comment and like and share and thumbs up. And thank you everybody for that. And I'll see you guys on the next one.